Diabetes mellitus. It is a chronic metabolic disorder resulting in hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia means increase in blood sugar level. It increases the risk of micro and macrovascular complication. Types of diabetes mellitus. There are 4 types, in which the 2 are important, type 1 and type 2. Type 1, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. It is an autoimmune disorder. The antibodies destroy its own beta cells. It is usually occurs in young children and adolescents in juvenile onset. Type 2, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. These are most commonly seen due to genetically or due to stress. There is both reduced insulin secretion and reduced sensitivity to insulin receptor. Type 3, diabetic due to other hormonal deficiency. Type 3 is also known as drug-induced diabetes. Type 4, it is gestational diabetes. During pregnancy, this diabetes will come. Symptoms: polyuria, polydipsia, thirsty feeling, numbness in extremities, delayed wound healing, weight loss. If it is not treated, it produces complication, result in diabetic syndrome. Many diseases will come due to single reason. For an example, in diabetic syndrome, nephropathy, which affects the kidney due to the less blood supply in small capillaries. There is no blood supply in small capillaries, so kidney function is not properly done. Retinopathy, retina blood flow supply is less, so the retinopathy leads to blindness. Nephropathy, sensory nerves are affected. Angiopathy, major blood vessels are affected, like in heart. Diabetic ulcer and gangrene, which results in diabetic ulcer and gangrene. Ketoacidosis and coma also seen in the complicatory cases. Diagnosis: blood test, fasting blood sugar, which is normal 70 to 110, post-parietal sugar level. After meal, 2 hours after the meal, is 140 mg. Second one, HbA1c is a second diagnostic test. Glucose level in the hemoglobin. This test is done. There is only advantage is which it shows an average reading of past 3 months. Treatment of diabetes: insulin, oral hypoglycemic drug. Insulin. In 1921, Dr. Best and Banting prepared insulin extract from pancreas. In 1922, the insulin extract was first used in 14-year-old boy suffering from severe diabetes, which leads to a good success. After injecting the extract of insulin from the pancreas, after taking the insulin from the pancreas, they injected into a 14-year-old boy, which leads to a good success. Islets of Langerhans: alpha cells glucagon, beta cells insulin, gamma cells somatostatin, P cells pancreatic polypeptide. Chemistry: insulin is a polypeptide having 51 amino acids arranged in 2 chains. A chain contains 21 amino acids and B chain contains 30 amino acids. Both A and B chain are linked by disulfide bond. This is the structure of insulin, which this is the A chain and this one is the B chain. A chain consists of 21 amino acid, B chain consists of 30 amino acid. They are linked by disulfide bond, 2S, which is known as disulfide bond. Action of insulin. The transportation of glucose across the cell membrane, the glucose is burned and gives energy. The transportation of the cell across the cell membrane produces energy, where the glucose is utilized up. In liver and skeletal muscle, the glucose is converted into glycogen. Insulin prevents gluconeogenesis in the liver and muscle. Transportation of the glucose across the cell membrane. Glucose is burned and gives energy. In liver and skeletal muscle, the glucose is converted into glycogen, as we see in previous page. Insulin prevents gluconeogenesis in the liver and muscle. By the above action of insulin decreases the blood glucose level. Mode of action. Insulin acts on insulin receptor present in the cell membrane. The activation of the receptor leads to phosphorylation and dephosphorylation of various enzymes required in insulin action. Uses of insulin. Used in diabetes mellitus type 1. Mostly used in diabetes mellitus. In type 2, if the oral drug fails to control the sugar level, insulin is used along with the hypoglycemic drugs. Diabetic type 3. During surgery, severe infection wound, insulin is given with diabetic ketoacidosis. In diabetic coma, usually occurs in type 1 diabetes. Symptoms of diabetic coma: vomiting, sweating, dehydration, hypotension, hyperventilation and coma. Treatment of diabetic coma: soluble or regular insulin is given in IV infusion. When the patient recovers, subcutaneously the insulin is given for 30 minutes before stopping the infusion. First, it is given through IV. After the recovery of the patient, it is given in subcutaneous for 30 minutes. Normal saline and potassium chloride are also given by IV. Sodium bicarbonate is given by IV to correct the metabolic acidosis. Adverse effect of insulin. If there is more amount of insulin, which results in hypoglycemia. It is due to the overdose of insulin and severe exercise and late meal. Symptoms: sweating, palpitation, anxiety, giddiness, blurred vision, convulsions and coma. Treatment for hypoglycemia: fruit juice, glucose water, biscuit, candy is given orally. If the patient is unconscious, dextrose in IV is given. Glucagon 0.5 to 1 milligram can be injected in the glucose. Lipodystrophy. Atrophy of fat at the site of injection. Atrophy reduces the insulin absorption and action, therefore the injection in the site is rotated. Allergy. Angioedema, skin rashes occurs. Thank you. I here end with this video. Please do subscribe, like and comment my channel. Thank you.